Still the old Husqvarna here with the braking strapping that we transplanted in here from a different lawnmower, from old Trump. It hasn't been working the best lately. Last time I tried to use it at Romans. We got the ultrasonic cleaner going on with our project right now. So that's in the background, but I bought it cheapest coil I can find on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. We're going to take this covers off here and we'll see, because I feel like once it gets hot and you shut off, it'll not start again, like it has no spark. That was going for a while, but it was still running okay. But now it barely runs like a one cylinder. So we're going to tear this apart and we're going to try to find the coil, and hopefully the coil I bought is going to fit this. I did look it up on replacement parts with the part number from this one, and it said that was a coil. Then I did it over to Amazon, and bada bing bada boom, and hopefully we got it. We'll see if it works. Probably not, but yeah, let's try it. Okay, well, I got the whole cover off. I did lose one bolt somewhere. I gotta find that. Over on that side, drop down. So here's the coil. Now I'm gonna take that, loosen those two right here and right here, take that off. Loop it around those little guards down there. We'll sneak that out of there, and we'll put the new one in. Got the new coil in there, rolled it around. So this is what our shop teacher in small engine in high school taught us to use. One of these vanilla folders like this. Vanilla folders, vanilla, whatever you call it. Same one I had since school. You take that, you got this loose in here. Take that, you turn the flywheel until the magnets hit that. My folder ain't working out rather good here, is it? Okay, they're both stuck there right now. I'll just tighten them up. Okay, so it's set now. I got the new coil in there, got all buttoned back up. So let's fire it up, see if it does start. If it does start, then we're going to go and take it for a little test drive. Cut some grass on some trails. Not a thing. Not a single spark. Nothing. Nothing. And I know you're gonna have these down, have to have the brake up. The seat thing is already disconnected. Don't need that. So, guess it leaves. I gotta take the thing back apart. Oh, false alarm, false alarm. I got it working. Got it working. That cheap coil does work. A fella might have put this on upside down. I don't know quite what would cause it not to work if it was upside down. But flipped it back around. Set the thing the same way I showed you how I did before. Now, I hold the oil thing down. there she goes. So now we're gonna button it all back up again. Hopefully it works when we get it all buttoned back up again. It was running really good, better than it has before. I mowed about 5 minutes with it, or 10 minutes. I think it was like 8 minutes on the video clip. It ran good the whole time I mowed with it, right up till like the last couple of minutes. Then it started like dying. I had to use the choke to keep it running. So it must be something with fuel. It's not the fuel filter, that's fine, but every so often it does it. Not all the time, but sometimes it does it. So beat bloop at what you think is down below if you want. It's a 16.5 horsepower twin Briggs & Stratton. It's got a new coil in it. Talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.